Yes guys, welcome back. So today we're preparing to leave to go out in Letem to spend a little time out there, and from there we head to town. It's time to say goodbye to South Rupununi. And why we leaving so early is because the rain is coming, and in South we always get flood. So you see, rain, fall water already done start to flood out. So we gotta leave. We ain't come with no pickup or nothing. It's a car. So just to tell you, just to tell my mom say we're leaving, and hope next time, hopefully next time we get to take some leave and come and see her. Yeah. So from now to the next time I come and see you guys. Rain set up very bad. My mom here, and we preparing to leave, and they say, wow, lightning flashing, you know? Love your mother. So next time, let's say goodbye. We'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah. So here's where I burn. I see last one. Don't make it. You want to see it? Open the view. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care, safe journey.
You too. And then boys. Say goodbye to South Rupununi. So yes guys, when I was coming over night time. I didn't show y'all the bridge, the new bridge where South Rupununi, Ambrose, them building, the government building for them. So it's under construction. So this is the new bridge guys. Water coming down. Yes guys, so the government doing a great job here for Tarnow, Ambrose, South Rupununi, as you can see. And the rain is coming. I don't know what's happening. People is gonna go across here with boat. So if them really, so the bridge will be a great thing for them to come across or so. As you can see as I go down. Ants nest size guys. Look at this ants nest size. Look, yeah, almost tall like that tree. Look at it. As you can see, like, you know, little mouth. Like, you know, what's it? Like a little tunnel hole. There's be like lizard live inside. Look at this here guys. Big ants nest. And look at it. From the peak at the top, even ant can't even reach at the top. Come straight down guys. Look at, wow. Yes guys, so now we're going to check out the Kumu Falls. As you can see, we're going to see what's up there, if the place is still dry or we had some rain the last couple of days. Like, we're going to see what's going on. So yes guys, we now meet at the falls, and up there is the hydro Just come and enjoy myself and show you the guys the area. Yep. So let's go and check out the falls, guys. So we now heading up to the falls, guys, and check it out and see what's up. Come, baby. A lot of coconut trees here. Buggy weight, baby. Hey brother, what's up?
Yeah,
Everything
man,
good?
Yeah, buddy.
Alright. Hi. Wait, Bogey, wait. The hydro. That's the hydro. Son.
Wow, that was a flower. That's like jungle.
Somebody call him a name.
Oh, that building.
So guys, over there is the hydro. Where's the older let him current. Lot of power, guys. So if you look carefully, you could see there's a pipe go all the way up to the mountain catching the water, and as it pass through with the turbine, it just let out the excess. Yeah. Tell the guys them something.
Yeah, they use family for message.
Alright.
First time coming to the Kumu Falls. Oh, we enjoy it.
Yep. The water low, man.
Yeah. So they hide out because you're in for me.
Correct. Alright.
Take care.
Yeah, brother. Hi.
Hi. And I'm about to fall.
How are you, mom?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Take your time. So this path all run all the way out to the river, straight out. We call Kumu Falls. It is the most high or so solid. Yeah. So you could see. Yep. Just bring the family and for have a nice time, and my son. Come, Sonny. Come. Take your time. Take your time, baby. Yep. The path will be more more bigger than the. Right? Look at this. Look at this. It will be more powerful than what you see now. Good time, not a long time. So. Woo! There was the sun. Yeah, what's something's going out there? The red one. Tell them what they're gonna have to do.
What?
Subscribe. Yep. I'll wait for my little slide. Slide, let me see, son. Slide worm. Wow, kaya to. In this water, you get manicure and pedicure. Look at this. Yes guys, so this is the airport here. Let them airport guys, look at it. Just land guys, just land. Yes guys, so I'm here in Brazil. Who's the man down there?
Beaten Panto! Pick up yourself!
Hey amigo! How much? Dinheiro?
Seis reais.
Six.
Different thing in there.
Yeah.
What are
Doing
you?
different thing is getting inside. Eh? Yeah, but yeah. This one eh? Yeah. Thank you. Beef, yeah.
Beef.
Woo! Beef guys. Wow. Like me and carry all $200 in a supermarket with the whole crew, you know. Yeah, the other children are missing. Yep, I have a lot of stuff here, eatables. So yes guys, we had the perfume store. It's right over there. So check out the place and see what's up. Plus in here smell nice. See, A lot of Brazilian clothes, wonderful. Yep. So they have some nice bag, for ladies. So, yep. So you have the ladies over there, Chinese. Hi, you speak English? Hi, how are you? To see y'all extend and get big. What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Hi, welcome to our new perfume store.
Yep. So tell me something about the store. Well, most Guyanese is really common.
A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Rodeo time.
Yeah, rodeo time, yeah. Alright then, nice to meet you, Williams. Alright. Yes, I'm ready to cash. How much?
Vai para querer sair para frente.
And we heading home to the watch. There's some monkey keeping a lot of nice in there. They want bullying me in there, fighting me up. Cause he had an old set just run across. Yes guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button guys, and I'm out.